Welcome back to Ride Review. Today, we're diving into the 2025 GMC Yukon, the big, bold SUV that combines luxury, power, and utility. Whether you're hauling your family or taking a long road trip, the Yukon promises comfort and capability. So let's break down what makes this SUV stand out in a crowded market. Under the hood, the 2025 GMC Yukon offers a choice between a 5.3-liter V8 and a 6.2-liter V8, both designed to deliver serious power, up to 420 horsepower. You also get the option for the efficient 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel, which is perfect if you're looking for torque and fuel savings. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, the Yukon provides smooth and responsive driving, even with its considerable size. In terms of towing, the Yukon is ready for anything, offering up to 80,400 pounds of towing capacity. That's ideal for your boat, trailer, or any heavy-duty work. When it comes to design, the 2025 Yukon doesn't disappoint. The exterior is bold, featuring a commanding grille and LED lighting that give it an unmistakable road presence. On the inside, it's all about premium comfort. With seating for up to 8, available leather upholstery, and tri-zone climate control, every passenger rides in luxury. The cargo space is massive, offering 122.9 cubic feet, with the seats folded down, enough for any adventure. Tech-wise, the Yukon is loaded. You get a 10.2-inch infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus an available rear-seat media system to keep everyone entertained on long drives. As for pricing, the 2025 GMC Yukon starts around $60,000, but expect to pay more for higher trims like the Denali, which packs in all the luxury you could want. Today's Ride Review daily feature? The Yukon's available magnetic ride control. This tech automatically adjusts the suspension for smoother driving on rough roads, a feature that really sets it apart in its class. If you're looking for a full-size SUV that delivers on power, space, and luxury, the Yukon is worth checking out. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more car reviews and updates.